Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Y'all see me looking dusty and crusty, so I'm just going to be testing out some edge tamers today, and I'm going to be trying out the second touchdown edge tamer, and this video is sponsored by this first and second touchdown edge tamer. So they have different types. They have shea butter, coconut, they have black castor oil, and then they have their original called the first touchdown edge tamer. You guys see I am totally in love with each and every single one of these smells. They smell like amazing, and I just gotta tell you the truth because I like me a good smelling product. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go in and end up using the black castor oil one just because I felt, I really like black castor oil anyway, so I said why not. So to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to be using the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I usually use gel on my baby hairs and I use pomades on my edges. I don't know, that's just how I do my routine. I feel better that way. And I feel like when I use a pomade, it kind of gets like sticky and just like oily and I sweat a lot, so it's just not cute. So I'm just going to be styling this up and I'll explain more when I'm putting on the edge tamer. As I stated earlier, I'm just going to be applying the edge tamer to the perimeter of my hair that leads into my ponytail. I don't apply it on my baby hairs. I actually do apply them a little bit on the ends of my baby hairs like so, just so that I can secure it. And then I just want to let you guys know that all of these products will be available in your local beauty supply store. They should be already there. Just ask the employee, make sure you can show them this video, show them a picture, like get you this product. Okay, I totally recommend it. So basically I just took the rat tail comb and I brushed them or combed through my edges, and now I'm going to lay it with the scarf. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it helped you a lot. And I hope you find something that you really like for your edges. This is one of my favorites. So yeah. Thank you Second Touchdown Edge Tamer for sponsoring this video. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.